So today is my birthday. I'm turning 38. So I was thinking, this would be a great time to launch my channel. It's going to be about me, my family, and our adventure. The ups, the downs, the good and the bad. I want to document the process of what it takes to be an entrepreneur and a family man. So come along and enjoy with us. My name's Troy. What? What are we doing?
Nothing.
Looking for a place to take a picture?
Yes. This is cute. With a little vine.
No, am I supposed to walk off? Come right here and you should be able to get Bud. You want to do it here?
Mainstay. Mainstay Farms.
I can't see you.
Where are you? There's a cute baby.
I don't even need a stool.
Hey bud, what are these? Would you like to have one?
They can keep bad guys away.
Yeah.
Wash our hands again.
Look at those baby ones, aren't they cool? I think they'd be fun to have one day. Whoa! He's a little bossy. That was cute.
I'm just talking to my friends.
Yes. Whoa. Alright, everyone's gonna make noises.
Sissy, hi. Is that fun?
Woohoo! Bye!
No, it's good.
Whoa, dude. Hey.
One, two, three. Ready?
Okay, what are you doing? What?
Hey, dude. Hi. Man, blazing speed there. Blazing speed. Hopefully you can hear this with the wind blowing. This is one of our favorite spots. Annually we come here for the pumpkin patch, and it usually lands around my birthday, so we get to do kind of a two birds with one stone thing. It's pretty cool here, a lot of fun. This is a huge tree house that we're on. Pretty kick butt. So we're gonna try this.
Yeah.
You think you're gonna weigh enough
Nope, you are.
to make it happen?
Yeah.
I don't even know if I can get you down. Ready?
Yep.
This is all I can do. Whoa. Whoa. That was slightly not entertaining. Good job. Concentrate. The face of concentration. Is this what you learn in gymnastics? This is the up and over.
The up and over.
Oh, cute. Too cute. Too cute. So, where are we at? There we are. So, we just finished a gut-busting chicken fried steak and fried chicken, smoked chicken or something else. It was pretty doggone good. Here's the aftermath. Everyone pretty much destroyed it. Hey. Fun birthday, my beautiful bride. So how was babes? Babe?
Good.
Good?
Yummy.
Yep.
I'm stuffed.
Yep.
Oh, hey.
Oh hey dude. What are you playing?
Super Mario.
Super Mario, huh?
Say cheese.
Say cheese, huh?
Oh!
Oh, you're a cheeser.
That was the last one. Now I have to start all
Yep.
over.
Almost ready to take a Shabbat nap. And we have this.
I was at the 4th level.
And go. 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 Go.
Go.
Whoa. Bye, small town Burleson. So wrapping up the day, we get to spend our Saturday evening with a little bit of a fire and my little man stoking it. Back in my swing, ready to call it a night. I don't really know what this vlog will be and if it'll be entertaining. I know I haven't quite gotten my stride with this vlogging yet, but as time goes on, I can promise you one thing, it will get better and we will have fun together. So, until the next one, good night.